Yes, yes. How can I help you?
I'm here to inquire about the ECCE course.
ECCE course.
Yeah.
You want to become a pre-primary school
Yeah.
teacher.
Yes.
Okay. So, what would you like to know?
What is the course exactly about? Tell me a little brief about the course.
Okay. I'll give you all the details.
Yeah.
Will you please fill up this response
sure.
form in the meantime? Yes. You can put the date also.
Okay.
Thank you very much. So I'll give you the full details about the course,
Yeah.
and I will also hand over this prospectus for you so
Okay.
that you can carry something home to look into the details.
Okay.
Now I'll give you the idea about what
The
is
whole
the
course, yeah.
yes, what it includes.
Okay.
Okay, so we have two parts to it. One is the theory part, and the other one is practical part. Okay, and we have in theory child development and child psychology, and you can see here these are the different areas of child
Yeah.
development and child psychology we cover. We are basically very much interested in the psychological aspects of the child's
Okay.
growth, so we cover them quite in detail, and we have our own textbook which we give to all the students so that they can refer to it and learn so much in detail. Now, besides that, you will be preparing a journal, and the journal will give you the idea about all the different plans. You see, the syllabus of the nursery school will include how to teach them nursery rhymes,
Yeah.
also the stories and composition, then of course number of alphabets, which is very important, as well as they'll be doing all the concepts like colors, fruits, vegetables, animals, etc. So you will be learning all that as a part of your journal work.
Okay.
So the process is that we will be giving you one of the lessons as a model lesson from our own collection, and you will be asked to do two more or one more lesson on your own, which will be regularly checked, and then you will be putting it up in your own journal. So I can show you the journal also and how you will be preparing this journal. Okay, so you will be preparing the journal with all kinds of lesson plans, and you will be writing all this in your journal, and it is, you can see that it is presented in a very attractive
Yeah.
manner, because when you go for your interviews for your jobs and all, which is our primary concern,
Yeah.
that after doing the course you should be
Yeah.
getting a good job.
Yeah.
So you will be preparing your journal with the, if you cannot draw this, does not matter, you can put it
Sticker picture.
with the stickers or with the any cutout pictures.
Yeah.
So it will be a journal which you will be preparing for yourself,
Okay.
and you will be keeping this. This is almost like your Bible.
Yeah.
You see, so till the end of your course, and even after that, this will be the providing the guidelines for you. Okay. So this is the journal work that you will be doing, and this work that we are doing in the journal is basic work that is covered for nursery in any kind of syllabus.
Okay.
Okay, so it will be KG teachers training or nursery teachers training, pre-primary teachers training, IB school syllabi,
Yeah.
or IGCSE school syllabi. All that is
Is covered.
covered in this
Okay.
journal. Okay. Now, besides that, you will be also attending one art and craft workshop, and you will be preparing your own art and craft portfolio,
Okay.
and that will be also under our guidance, and you will be able to present things like this. Now, this is taught, and presentation is your own.
Yeah.
So, and also you learn how to
Yeah.
present it in your drawings and all. And there are origami starting with, then there is kirigami starting with, And then further we go on to use more of material and different kinds of presentations, like tidbits of papers, and there are so many of the art and craft work that is connected with our festivals, or they are connected
Yeah.
with our nursery rhymes. Okay, so they will be all presented in the form of your portfolio. Besides that, you will be doing also one this pattern book, which will be like how to teach children and initiate them into writing work. So to make it more interesting and easy for the children, we give them the hand exercises. Okay, so these are all the different kinds of strokes that they learn to do, which are combined to make the alphabets later. So you start with this book also, and this will be also a very important part of your
So we have
course.
to complete this 3
Yes,
books.
yes. 4 books. There is a small chart you will be making,
Okay.
and that will be about the alphabets of animals, fruits, vegetables.
Okay.
That will be your project.
Okay.
And we'll give you the subject and guide you regarding that also. Now, with all this, you will be doing also your theory classes,
Okay.
and entire course will take about 6 to 7 months to complete,
Okay.
because you can see how much we are covering,
Yeah.
right? So it's not no touch and go course. It's very much detailed course,
Yeah.
and we want you to be a very good and competent teacher, so that you see your future is secure.
Yeah.
Why are you interested in doing this course? Because you want
Future.
to
Good future.
work as a teacher,
Yeah.
right? It's not for decoration that you have your certificate and
Yeah.
you are very happy looking at it every day. That's not the idea. So we see to it that you are absolutely competent and very well prepared. And of course, we have our own small nursery school.
Okay.
So we select some of the students can come and do their practical work here
So
also.
we can do practical here.
Yes,
also.
you can do practical work here, and you can also, if it is not convenient, because some of the students come from far off,
Okay.
they come from suburbs. So in that case, we allow them to do the practical work there also in
Okay,
their
that
own
is also
areas.
allowed.
Yes,
Yeah.
in their own areas, they can do the practical work.
Okay.
So this is how the entire course goes.
Yeah.
Takes about 6 months and plus about
For the
1
theory and practical both, 6 months.
No, practical work will be additional.
Additional.
So theory takes time, because you are making so many books, etc.
Yeah. Right.
And also doing theory,
Yeah.
and it will take some time for you to absorb everything and get used to the idea of what is teaching,
Teaching.
and that too what is teaching small children.
Yeah.
It's very different.
It is very difficult also.
I don't think it is very difficult once you know the
Yeah, once
methods,
we know,
and
yeah.
it's actually very enjoyable.
Yeah.
That itself is a very soothing thing for the mind.
Yeah.
Also, it takes away all your tensions,
Tension.
and yes, so it is a very very remedial
Mm.
thing for the teachers, to be with the children and
Okay.
be involved in their activities. Now, whatever their activities, that also you will be learning as a part of your journal. Plus, when you do your practical training, at that time also it will be included, because we do have outings for children.
Okay. Yeah, field trips and all.
Yes. So now we have this full course is going to cost you 24,000
Okay.
as fees, and 500 is your admission,
Okay.
and extra 500 for your certificate, mark sheet, and all the other exam fees, etc.
Okay.
So you can pay it in 2 installments. We have 14,500 as the first installment,
Okay.
and after about a month you can pay the balance of 10,000, and 500 you can add with that.
Okay.
So this is entirely the course fee.
Okay.
Now this course is a part-time course, because we understand that all the ladies and all the students who are interested in this course are actually looking out for part-time
Yeah.
jobs, right? Many of them are housewives, so they want to do the course because they can't go out and work full-time. Besides, there are so many teachers who are not having the certificates. They are working as school teachers for number of years, but they are not
Yeah,
able
they are
to.
not qualified.
They are not qualified because they don't have certificate. So in that case, they are coming for for their certificates.
Certificate.
And then there is additional thing, like if you are doing this course and you are working in the school, you can add your capacity as a tuition teacher also.
Yes.
So maybe those who are looking out for the full-time kind of occupation,
Yeah.
they can be a teacher in the school, and then they can also do the tuitions at home
Okay.
or in the school itself, because some schools do provide that facility. And we do help all our students to get proper jobs, like in the proper nursery schools and all.
Yes.
And we are quite established because we are running this course for more than 35 years now.
Yeah.
And we
And
have our own, yes, we have our own school also. So we are very experienced, and there will be no problem,
Yeah.
adjusting you even after the course
Okay.
in the schools. So I hope I have covered all your queries.
These books, do they have marks?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, we have exams. Now in exams we have 100 marks for your theory,
Okay.
and that's divided into two papers.
Two papers.
One is 60 marks for emotional and intellectual development, and other one is 40 marks for the physical and social development, etc. And then of course there are marks for
For all the
each and every book. So that is 100 marks separate.
Okay.
So total 200 marks from which you will be evaluated.
Yeah.
Okay. And if you are doing practical training with us, we give you an additional certificate of internship.
Okay. Yeah, that is
And
better.
that is a very easy thing to do, because you have to come only once in a week,
Okay.
and you have to complete about one term,
Okay.
which goes to about 3 months, 3.5 months maximum.
Yeah.
Okay. So you have any other queries, or
No,
what do you
that's
think?
it. Yeah, I'll think of joining. I'll fill the form tomorrow. I'll
Okay.
come tomorrow and fill the form and get the fees with me.
And you can pay by check also.
Okay, that is
You
okay.
can pay cash,
Okay.
or if you prefer, you can even do RTGS, and we also have a facility to do online.
Okay.
So if you feel that you cannot attend regularly, in
Yeah.
that case you can
Okay, I
even
can do it online
online
also.
also.
Okay.
Yes, which we have recently introduced because of Corona
Corona,
and pandemic.
yeah.
People
Yeah.
cannot always
Cannot
travel
travel.
easily, and we have students coming from very far
Okay.
places also. Borivali.
Yeah, so
Bilaspur.
online is better.
So nowadays it is very difficult for anyone to
Travel. Yeah.
travel. So you make up your mind,
Yeah.
and we are here to help you with whatever other queries you may have. You can also call us. I think I've given
Yeah,
you.
give me the prospectus.
Yes, yes. I'll give you the prospectus,
Yeah.
which gives you all the other details, and our phone numbers, etc. are also provided here. Okay. Our websites are also there, so you can even go through them
Okay.
and see the details that you want, and fees and everything.
Yeah, I'll
is
go
mentioned.
through all this.
Okay. And you got number of mobile phone
Mobile,
numbers,
yeah,
so
okay.
you can call.
Yeah, I'll just
Anytime.
give it.
11 to 5 we are open every day,
Okay.
so you can come
Okay.
anytime.
Yeah. Thank you.
Most welcome. Bye.
Bye.